Okay, so this is my Dell laptop. It's a Dell Inspiron 1525. It's about 2 years old, and I'm having a problem with it. So this is my problem. Whenever it's moved just slightly, it makes a noise. Let me show you. You see, the camera blinks. I don't know if you heard that in the background. Here's my hand, and all I'm doing is just moving it. And every time it's moved just a little bit, it makes that noise. There it is again. And there's nothing connected to it. No loose USBs or anything like that. So I don't know what's wrong with it. And if anybody does and can help me out, it'd be much appreciated. So let me just show you one more time. All I'm doing is just moving it around my lap. There it is. There's the noise. And I can't even bring it anywhere like with me, because it just constantly makes this noise. And whenever it does, the computer slows down too, freezes up. It's going fucking retarded. So if anybody can help me, much appreciated. Thanks.